In this video, let's talk about how to fix CIMB Clicks login problem Malaysia. Now, if you're facing this issue with your application, the first thing that you need to do is check for if your account is locked because of your forgotten password. So if you've retried to log in again and again using your credentials, and if you're failing, this might be causing the issue. So in this situation, what you need to do is provide the correct details. And if you have forgotten the password, just open up your web browser, head over to the web version of CIMB website and try to reset your username or password if you have forgotten. So the second thing that you can do is update to the latest version, which is you can simply switch to the newest website, newest application, which is the CIMB OCTO. This is the newest version of the application. So once you download the application, your issue should be solved. Now, if none of these solutions are still working out for you, this could be likely happening due to your account being deactivated. If you have not used your account for more than 6 months or not have logged into your account, this may have automatically deactivated your account. So in this situation, you just need to contact the customer support of the CIMB OCTO. You can simply do that by opening up your web browser and simply search for customer care. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.